everyone. I am in Florence now, and I like it a lot better than Rome. I mean, I like Rome, but Rome is so frantic and huge, and the drivers are crazy and almost kill you, but this is much more relaxed, and everywhere you turn there's like some kind of amazing Renaissance building to see, so it's very cool. And the architecture is incredible. I went to the Uffizi Gallery today, and that was kind of underwhelming, actually. There was some Caravaggio exhibit, but there wasn't much Caravaggio there. It was mostly people who were inspired by him. But it's just kind of an open-air museum. So just walking around is amazing. You really don't even have to go in anywhere if you don't really want to do, and we're just cheap. But anyways, yeah, pretty incredible. Yeah.